Hey, what's going on, y'all? Okay, I'm going to keep this short and sweet. Actually, I ended up working yesterday. Today's Tuesday. I usually have Mondays off. Ended up working yesterday to cover for a coworker. So today I'm out here fishing. It's Tuesday, so that's all out of the way, just in case you were wondering. But anyway, I'm at Lake Waccamaw. This is just the boat ramp. I actually have to go down around here, and then there's like a channel that goes under a bridge, and then I got to go out there, and the main lake is all the way on the other side of these trees right here. But I am going to launch. There are a ton of alligators in here, so I just always, in North Carolina, you have to be mindful of the alligators. But anyway, I'm gonna get launched. Hopefully we can get on them today and find some big ones. I already see some minnows and stuff getting popped right here, so that's a good sign. I have my white spinnerbait tied on there. I think I'm going to change out a couple things on my other, I think I might actually put a top, I don't know. I'll figure it out, and then we'll get out here and fish. All right, y'all, so I'm definitely seeing stuff pop, but I don't know what the stuff is. I don't know what's chasing the minnows in here. I don't know if it's bass. It could be bowfin. There are bowfin in here. Gar. Bluegill. Sunfish. You name it. Yeah, they're really getting, I mean, they're minnows all over the place. I think I'm gonna actually work my way, before I head out to the main lake, I think I'm gonna work my way up this way. Water's not too bad, actually. Work my way up this way. I see a ton of minnows. There's one. Got him. Oh, that is not a bass. That is not a bass. That's a chain pickerel. That's slimy snot rocket. That's what it is. Whale. Okay. Oh, figured out what's chasing. I'll get you up in my kayak here before you destroy my, oh, don't destroy my spinnerbait any more than you already did. Come on, dude, stop. God, I hate these things. Just mean. They're just mean. There he is. He's in my boat. Destroy my spinnerbait. There he is. Look at the teeth on these things. Just mean. Flat out mean. See ya. I'm sure every single alligator in here is interested now. Alright, well, there's chain pickerel. Thrashed my spinnerbait. He didn't cut my line, so that's good. Alright. Fortunately, it's a spinnerbait. We can bend it back. We're good. We're good. We're good. Alright. Let's keep it moving. That's all there. I think it's just gar up in here and an occasional chain pickerel. I don't think there are any bass up in here. I need to head out to the main lake, I think. Definitely have no interest in catching a gar. I hear a big old bullfrog somewhere. Yeah, there went a gar. Yeah, I'm gonna get out of here. head out to the main lake there. Alright, let's do some paddling. Actually, before I get over there, I'm going to take my fishing pole, my other poles, and I'm going to lay them down because I got to go under a bridge and my poles stick up too high. They will get... Alright, there. Now they won't get caught up. Alright, let's do this. Yeah, so check this out, guys. God, there are minnows everywhere. I'm seeing so many minnows. That's an awesome sign. I've only seen 4 gators so far. I mean, that's including the drive in here, so not seeing a whole lot of gators, but it's the gators you can't see that you got to worry about, right? Shouldn't be too bad. This is why I took the poles down. They're too tall when I come under here. Old bridge. Tons of minnows under here too. Probably should have fished this. Oh well. Maybe on the way back. Maybe on the way back. Huge spiders under here. Just watch for water moccasins. That's the only thing I'm worried about. Watch for moccasins. Alright, so basically we keep going here and we go like this and we take a left. That takes us out to the main lake. So we will, I'll tell you what, let's go ahead and do some extremely fast paddling. Golly, y'all, just look at this. I'm beyond thankful to be out here right now. This is just perfect. I think I'm gonna change up my plan. I just made this decision. I see some timber sticking up out of the water out there, and then I see a grass bed or a weed bed right there. I think I'm gonna head over there, fish the outer part of that, and then throw my spinnerbait around that timber right there. And I got that bandito bug tied on. Maybe I'll do a little bit of flipping into the, just work the edge of that with the bandito bug. But oh my goodness, it is so pretty out here. Plus I want to fish that before it gets too windy. It looks like right now I could sit out there and the wind's not going to bother me because it's like barely blowing. I think it's supposed to get up to like 9 miles per hour today. When you are a kayak angler, you pay attention to the wind, because like that is the difference between a good day and a bad day, and it's like nothing out here. So I definitely got to take into account how windy it's going to be. But I'm going to paddle over there, and then we'll fish that and hopefully catch a big one. I don't want to just catch chain pickerel today. Holy cow. That just happened right in front of me. I didn't even see an osprey there. It was just like, oh my god, that was so cool. I really hope that that was on film. Oh, that's a big one. Oh. Alright. Oh, it's a big bass. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. No, 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 no. Oh, jeez. Took me under the kayak. Oh, she's spinning me. Good Lord. Keep her down. Get her tired out here. Oh, stay down. Just stay down. Nope, stay down. Stay down. Oh, yes. Yes, 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 yes. That is a big bass. Oh. Oh, jeez. That is a big girl. Oh. Yes. Right in the corner. Right where you needed to be hooked, huh? Oh my goodness. Where's my... Gotta get my pliers. You were a big bass. Out. Woo! Look at that. Oh, you were pretty. You were pretty. Good Lord. She'd go about, she's about 7. She would go about 7. I get the scale out, but I want to get her back in the water a bit. Woo! Big bass. Alright. Get her back. Revive her. Oh, there she goes. She bit down one time and then like was just gone. Woo! Oh man, I needed that. Big bass on the bandito bug. My ip-on, I thought I was gonna snap my ip-on because she ran underneath the kayak, and thankfully I thought enough to hit the release. Whew, I am like shaking. That was, she was 7. She was 7 all day long. Whew. My goodness. Good feeling. Good feeling. I am like beyond excited. Not even fixing my worm right. I got a nick. Look at that. Need to retie. There's a nick in the line right there. Alright, I'm gonna retie and then I'll be right back. Alright y'all, so I am still like shaking. That was, if you don't get excited about a 7-pound bass, then you need to reevaluate. But oh my goodness, 7 pounds. And you know what's funny? I just thought about, look, this is what we just did yesterday. I don't know if you can see that or not. We hit 700 subscribers. See right there? 700 subscribers. So we catch a 7-pound bass. We hit a, oh my goodness, 700 subscribers, catch a 7-pound bass. I could not have planned that. That is so cool. Alright, let's go catch another. I think what I'm gonna do, so that was on the inside of the weeds. So I think I'm gonna go back out onto the outer part of the weeds and then keep fishing that bandito bug. It's almost time for a new one. I've caught like 8 fish off of this one so far, but she hit that thing. She ate that thing while it was falling, because I went like this. I just felt the pressure on my line, and when I set the hook, honestly, she didn't move. I thought I was hung up, and then she started going like this, and I'm like, oh, big fish, big fish. What a big girl. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Okay, so I got the kayak all loaded up, obviously. God, there are so many garfish in here. Anyway, I got the kayak loaded up. I'm headed back towards Wilmington. It's about an hour drive. My allergies are getting the best of me, and I think while I'm waiting for him to finish up practice, I think I'm gonna I'll just surprise y'all, but I'll be right back. Alright y'all, I told you that we weren't done with the video. We're gonna fish this little pond while we wait for Jonas. Got Ezra with me.
Hi.
He's throwing a rooster tail.
Yep.
Which, that's actually not a bad place right there. Just watch the lily pads.
Alright.
to throw the old rooster tail. I am throwing topwater. I'm gonna keep going up around this way, because where I really want to throw topwater is over here. What's up, little guy? This one out of you first. I'll take this one out of you first. Hey, Ezra. Goodbye. Yes. I know. There's a little one. Alright, y'all, that's it for today. I hope y'all enjoyed this. We got 2 little squeakers out of here, so waiting on Jonas to get done with football.
Yep.
But we will catch y'all next time. We appreciate you watching. Make sure that you hit the like video, or the like video. Make sure you hit the like button down below. Make sure you comment, share the video out, and make sure you subscribe. We'll catch y'all next time. Take care.